Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix update requested while downloading iOS 17. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If your iPhone stuck on update requested, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of issue. First of all, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. Now let me tell you that you have to tap on Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi and make sure that you have strong network connection, and after that you have to go back from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it on. From here you have to tap on general, then scroll it on again, tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct, and then go back from here. And after that you have to scroll it on and then tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you're connected with VPN, just simply you have to disconnect with that, and just simply have to open settings again. Now from here guys, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it off. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on general again. From here guys, you have to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. If you don't have, just simply have to delete some unnecessary apps, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings, then you have to scroll it on, tap on general. Now scroll down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting, and then you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.